How's it going, guys? This is SkeletonKey here, and today I'm going to be picking a lock sent to me by Average Picker, and it's actually a lock that was pinned by Average Picker himself. It is Doodle by Average Picker. And here's the key. So definitely some wavy, I guess, bidding on that. And it works. If I can get in, it's very smooth. It's pinned in an easy set, which I have actually never heard of before. So I'll have to probably put some research into that. But yeah, let's see what we can do here. Could do bottom of the keyway potentially. I'll probably try top. And then I'll do a Peterson short hook just to start. Okay, immediately click on 3. Count on 1, gotta click. Count on 1 again, gotta click. Send it back. Click on that. This lock's about to fall out of this vise. Okay, now we have nothing. Uh-oh. Okay, I felt a click on 3, but I'm not so sure about that one. Possible overset. Feedback was pretty clear at first, now I lost it, so I might have to let thing go. Okay. Let thing go. There, okay. So I hit 5 again, went to this. 1 again, got it. Yeah, I think I overset something before. 3 now is counter. Slight click, but not liking it. Not liking it. Come on. There we go. 4. A big click on 4. 1 again. Got a click. Kind of holding the lock in the vise right now. Big click on 5. Tighten this a little bit since it doesn't want to stay. Okay. Click on 4. Click on 3 again. I don't like the way that felt though. I think we lost a little bit of our whatever false set we kind of had there. Everything feels set though, which is interesting. No, did not like that. Switch to SS real quick. I can't even fit anything in there now. There we go. I have to try letting this thing go. Okay. Back to the Peterson. I felt something on 3, but I may have sort of said it. Might let go again. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. 3, nothing. 4, nothing. 5, nothing. Huh. Oh. Felt something on 2 and think we said it. There we go. Hit 5 and we got it open. All right, cool. It took me about, I think about 4 minutes or so. So that's pretty good. Let's get this thing. Ugh. That was fun. I like that one a lot. Reminded me of whatever one Skeleton Jack sent me. I actually just sent it to Average Picker. But that one's really fun as well. So I don't think I'm gonna have the opportunity to use the new gutting wrench that he so kindly sent me because it is this kind of block. I'm not even sure what this would be called. If someone knows, please tell me. Well, this is painful. I wonder if this is as painful to watch as this to do. There we go. Oh, come on. Alright, so we got this thing gutted, and I'm just gonna go through the pins real quick. Mostly, I wouldn't actually, not mostly, standard. Key pins, we have all serrated here, standard. I guess a mushroom pin, I guess you'd call it, standard. I don't even know what to call it, it's pretty cool though. It's also upside down. There we go. I guess I'd call it serrated. And then serrated up top. That looks like a key pin, actually. Interesting. Another serrated, kind of mushroom thing, spool. I don't even know what to call that. It's pretty cool, though. Got a spool, serrated, and then I guess I'd call that serrated as well. And then for the lock body itself, nothing going on in the chambers. One question I have, though, for you guys, and maybe you, average picker, is what are these? There's, like, obviously the pins go in here, but then it looks like there's like a second set of holes, and they've been filled up. I don't know if you did that, but just wondering what those would be for, because I'm not too sure. But yeah, that was Doodle. So thank you, average picker, for sending me this. It was a very fun pick, and it's very well done. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff's greatly appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next one.